Hello, welcome to Old versus Young Reactions. I'm Sawyer with Dad Mike, and like always, we take your suggestions first priority. So if you want us to react to something, please type it in the comments below the video. And if you want to help us out, please subscribe. This is Diana Ankudinova. We got more for you. And the song is called Blizzard.
Yeah, Diana, she has opened our eyes to Russian music.
Definitely.
Especially kind of the mainstream Russian scene. This looks like, it says she's 15, so I know she's a little older than that now. And I think this was probably from the show Must Go On, which is the Russian version of like Idol in the United States and Britain.
All right.
So let's hear this wonderful singer.
Где-то там, за окном, ходит зима. Сеет снег, белый снег, ночью и днем. И меня тишиной сводит с ума. И опять не уснуть в доме пустом. Саваном белым вьюга дом мой укрой. Где-то ты засыпаешь, где-то, но не со мной. Где-то там в тишине ходит февраль. Ему, как и мне, сон не найти. Где-то там, вдалеке, никогда ты не поймешь. Где-то там не со мной, так и не узнаешь ты.
She's fantastic every
Yeah.
time we hear her. We did try the closed captionings on this to get subtitles, but the system struggles with it.
Yeah, the system
with singing.
struggles with that. I know there's
Yeah.
some that are like really professional that they have the captions right away, but this one we didn't. It's not working.
Yeah, because
we're sorry to people watching from Russia. We're
and
sorry.
people wanted us to do this one from the competition. Some of like
Yeah.
like her official videos, they're much easier. They have the translation built into them. But again, I mean, look at it. She's just wowing the judges. You know,
Oh,
what, she
yeah.
got 3 out of 4 now, or 3 out of 5.
First one was like, yup, right away.
Yeah, I mean, what is this guy even delaying for?
I know.
Like,
She
what
should
more
just
is
win
he
by
looking
now.
for? Yeah, what more is he looking for from her?
Oh yeah.
It's so fantastic. All right,
Let's
let's
keep
hear it.
going. Wow.
She is awesome. She is so. What I love about her voice, and someone remarked about it in the comments one time, and they said she can actually sing in 2 ranges at the same time.
Wow.
And I've really started noticing that she has like this lower
yeah.
sound, but then when you focus on her voice, you can actually hear a higher thing. So it's almost like she's got 2 simultaneous sounds, which that's got to be like just so incredibly rare for a person
Yeah.
to be able to do that.
I can't even do that. I don't think anyone.
Oh, why not? I think-
Not any famous musicians I know can do that.
Probably-
Freddie Mercury couldn't even do that.
Yeah, 1 in God knows how many millions. It's so unique when you focus on it and you hear it, you go, wow, like and it's not like she's making it go up or down in the
No.
same word. It's at the same time.
Wow.
It's it's
That's
like just
awesome.
such. I mean, I'm sure she built it But yeah, like a God-given talent on top of it.
Oh yeah, I like the set too. Like the graphics matter. Like it makes it look like a blizzard.
Yeah.
What do you think the song, like, if your perspective? I know we don't know what it is because we don't have subtitles. But what do you think the song is about?
Jeez, it felt like a little bit of a love song to me. It's a lots of her stuff too. To me, feels like it's like theatrical too. It feels like it's built for the stage. It's built for the stage. So I wonder if this is a song from something like that. Like it's a known song that maybe is in a musical or a play or whatever.
It sounded a little dramatic too. I thought like it was like a breakup because like the way she was like singing and like moving her body. I was just like, sounds like something serious.
Yeah. Good stuff.
Yeah, I'd love to hear more. We'd love to do more for you Ankudinova fans. We'd love to do more. Like always, this has been Old versus Young Reactions. I'm Sor with Dad Mike, and we'll see you all next time. Peace.
All right. Music is love, my Russian friends.
Yes.